guys, Vincent from No Rats here. Quick update on the covered call strategy. It actually got filled. So I had to buy to close at 80 cents and I completely forgot that that was going on. And I woke up this morning and it actually happened. So net positive on the overall strategy, currently negative on the long position, but that's okay. I believe in Roblox. I think so many other people do. I think a lot of analysts are saying here it's a little oversold. There's a guy here saying that nevertheless, betting against the company is difficult given the viral growth. And even Kramer's got something from last Wednesday. He's saying that I think we're okay. I think the last quarter obviously was not as good as I thought. I want you to hold on to it. Okay, so there's some redeeming. There's some analysts out there and some big voices out there saying that this is a stock to hold on to. I'm also of the same opinion. I think Roblox is a great stock to hold. My children spend a lot of these microtransactions for games. I think it's a great acquisition candidate for a company like Microsoft or Google, who are actually getting into gaming. That's the next platform to be into. Virtual reality is untapped, so Facebook is already in that place. Maybe they're going to pick it up. Either way, I think it's a great system, and I'm really long on it. So I've already put in the order for a covered call, and the covered call was in the Septembers at the 85s. I'm getting it for 380, and I think you guys should get in. I may actually go into the Octobers right here at 510, but we'll have to kind of decide what we want to do. 310 gives me about $300 in income, and that's okay. A little bit risky for me because next week I'm actually going on vacation, so I won't be able to watch these stocks. But I'm not quite certain it will hit that high during that time. Got $8 before then, plus time decay. Remember, covered call strategies are for income. If you are long on the stock, this is a way that you can cover the long position by kind of going short. So in other words, you're selling your stock at that strike price. And quite frankly, I'm okay if it goes out to 85 and I sell at that price. I'll pick it up again because there's going to be some sways in the stock, and we have to kind of see what the next quarter is going to present itself. Hit that like button and subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. Love you all. Thanks for watching.